Today we're going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin moving into phase 2 and what this means for Shiba Inu Coin going into 2022. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And also just a quick reminder, we do have our private Discord open, so if you guys want to join our private Discord, all you have to do is pay for one of these tiers. All three of these tiers are going to give you access to the same Discord, so if you guys want to join our private Discord, go ahead and sign up with any of these tiers. You'll get Discord benefits, so use that first link in the description to do that. And I also want to mention that our channel analytics show that in the last 28 days, 64% of you guys that watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Let's get this number to 50% and we might do a cool Shiba Inu Coin burn, I'm just saying. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So here we are on public.com. We can see Shiba Inu Coin is down about 1% on the day, but that does not mean that we are not going to be pumping very soon. If you guys want to see my latest video where I go over the Shiba Inu Coin pump, go ahead and watch the last video that was just put out by me here on Finance Bro. But anyways, today we're going to be talking about phase 2 of Shiba Inu Coin and how we are entering into that, what it means for 2022 for Shiba Inu Coin, and then we'll also go over some technical analysis. So if you guys want to see that, stick around till the end of the video. I also do want to mention that if you guys want a free stock that you can sell and invest into Shib, get yourself some free Shib, use that second link in the description. But first, before we get into the meat and potatoes of this video, I do want to go over the overall social activity of Shiba Inu Coin, and you can see here Shiba Inu Coin is currently the number 1 most active cryptocurrency or stock on StockTwits. Obviously stocks aren't trading, so that's why stocks aren't higher on this list, but we are the highest most active cryptocurrency on here in terms of activity, so good to see there. But anyways, today we're going to be going over what we have on the horizon for Shiba Inu Coin and for 2022 and much more. So let's go over this. Basically, we're going to have Shiba Swap 2.0. That's going to be the first thing. So if you guys don't know, Shiba Swap has already launched. However, they are kind of making some tweaks to it to get fees down and just make it overall better. So they have detailed a lot of different ways they are making it better in previous posts, and we've gone over that in previous videos we've made, so I'm not going to go over it too much, but we do have a kind of relaunch to Shiba Swap 2.0 coming up, and then this is going to be the biggest thing, guys, Shibarium. So Shibarium is going to be Shiba Inu Coin's own blockchain. It is going to be a layer 2, so it's basically still on the Ethereum blockchain, but it's Shiba Inu Coin's own blockchain within the Ethereum blockchain. So yeah, they have basically started working with their friends at X Fund to complete Shibarium, and that should be being released very, very soon in Q1 of 2022 is what I've been hearing and what I've seen in the Shiba Inu Coin Discord, official Discord. If you guys want to join our Discord, we have also talked about it. But yeah, so we are going to have Shiba Swap 2.0, then Shibarium, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin's blockchain. We're also going to be having Shi come out, which is going to be the global exchange value. Shi basically pegs to 1 cent and allows for plebs to have fully decentralized token that can be used to exchange goods without the concern of a change in value day to day or minute to minute. So good to see here we are making basically our own stable coin. And then number 4, we're going to see Shibarium financial ecosystem. He would count this as phase 3 actually, as it requires a completed Shibarium. So basically kind of phase 2 is going to be Shibarium, and everything that comes along with it will be phase 3, it sounds like. But the phase 3 could be having some things completed by the end of 2022 as well. But then we're also going to have ShibaCon, which is going to be basically coinciding with DevCon. It's going to be Shiba Inu Coin's own little get together type of thing. And then also we're going to have this thing called ShibaNet. This is also going to be built off of the Shibarium as well. But basically this is going to be a financial institution that is going to have the best writers, artists, producers, businesses, creators, and it's going to be an incubator where they can run their businesses through ShibaNet. So NFTs will be ran through here. So we're really entering the bulk of the crypto sphere with this Shiba Net, and creators are going to absolutely love this as a way to kind of create a marketplace for themselves in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Me and Kyle will definitely be getting involved with Shiba Net somehow, but basically how it works is there is a network of NFTs and has many additional features outside of the scope of this article, so more things will come out with this soon, but this is going to be massive for creators in general and for the Shib ecosystem also. And finally, we are going to have the Shiba Inu Coin game, which is going to be pairing with Playside Studios in Australia. Playside Studios is basically a AAA studio, so it's one of the best studios for game creation, and is going to be built off the Shiba Inu Coin blockchain. So they will be working on this for the next 7 months. So basically late July or early August, this game will come out, and then all of the in-app purchases that are made within this game are going to be burned. So that is going to be a way that Shiba Inu Coin is facilitating these burns and trying to get to a cent by the end of 2022. But that is basically everything we have on the scope for Shiba Inu Coin coming into 2022, and then obviously the Robinhood listing would be massive as well. But yeah, now let's go over the global crypto market cap, and then we will go over the technical analysis on Shib. So we can see here that the global crypto market is sitting at about 2.38 trillion, a 1% increase over the last day. Bitcoin and Ethereum are both down on the day, so it makes sense kind of. We've had a few very euphoric days, and I think tomorrow or Christmas is going to be a really big day for Shib and crypto in general, but you can see Shiba Inu Coin also down about 1% today, and sitting in that 13th spot. One thing I do like to see is this volume is up 14% to almost $2 billion. So even though we are down 1% today, the volume is kind of on a steady uptick, which I do really like to see. And then also the historical data, when we kind of compare it, we were at just $600 and $700 million in volume a couple days ago. Now we're consistently hitting $2 billion, which I like to see. I really want to see the volume hit $3 to $4 billion very soon though. Okay, but now let's get into the technical analysis. So we have actually broke a support here. This candle has not closed out yet, but if this candle does close out below this support, the 37, we could possibly be seeing anywhere from the 36 all the way to a support here at the 34. We'll have to see where we really do close out. If this candlestick does close out actually above the support, we can possibly test this resistance once again at the 40, but if we don't, we could consolidate for the next couple of hours between the 35 and the 36, or even the 36 and the 37, and then possibly test this resistance at the 37 once again, and then the resistance at the 40 again. I know that was all a lot, but we are trending down on the MACD. We'll have to see when we do stop this bearish kind of trend down over the last day, and eventually kind of make our way back up to that resistance at the 40. But the good thing is that the RSI is at the 34, almost the 33 at this point. So that means we are getting close to oversold, and we're not going to see too much more losses for today. But we could possibly see some losses all the way to the 36. We'll have to see when we stop this bleeding. I'll definitely be making updates, so definitely subscribe to try to or to see all of the different updates we bring to you here at Finance Bro. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for today. I hope you guys all have a Merry Christmas, a Merry Christmas Eve. That's going to be it for my videos today. Definitely subscribe. I will be putting out videos tomorrow on Christmas as well, and so will Kyle. So if you guys want to join our private Discord, we'll be talking in there periodically over the next couple of days, and then more after the Christmas is over, obviously. But definitely join our private Discord. Also leave a like and subscribe, and also comment how much Shiba Inu Coin you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. If you guys want to get a free stock, then go ahead and use the first or second link in the description. Get signed up with Public, deposit $1, and you'll get up to $70 of the free stock. You can then sell and invest in a Shiba Inu Coin and get yourself some free Shib with that second link in the description. But that's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.